Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to recharge your Ram 1500 AC. First, you'll need to recognize the symptoms of a low refrigerant level, such as warm air or a continuously running compressor. Next, ensure you have the right tools, including a refrigerant kit and safety glasses. Finally, locate the low-pressure service port on your truck's AC system, usually marked with an L. Before adding refrigerant, clean the low-pressure service port to prevent contamination. Then, securely attach the quick connect fitting of your refrigerant hose to this port. Make sure the connection is snug to avoid leaks. With the hose attached, start your Ram 1500 engine and set the AC to its maximum cold and fan speed settings. This prepares the system for optimal refrigerant intake. Now, with the engine running and AC on high, begin adding the refrigerant. Hold the can upright and squeeze the trigger in short, 5 to 10 second bursts. Between bursts, check the pressure gauge on your hose. It should fall within the recommended green zone for your vehicle. It's crucial not to overcharge the system, as this can cause more damage than undercharging. Once the pressure gauge reads correctly, disconnect the refrigerant hose quickly and carefully from the service port. Test your Ram 1500 AC system to ensure it's blowing cold air consistently. Enjoy your newly recharged AC. Also, for those looking to improve their financial well-being, check out the description for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.